Stick around as we show you how to mount and provide power over Ethernet to Heckler Design iPad and tablet mounts. Check this out.
In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Heckler Design wall mount for your 9.7-inch iPad and how to provide power via PoE. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's also some tools you need to get the job done. We're mounting the H564 in color BG, and we used our GAT24V25W inline splitter. The wall-mounted enclosure kits come with drywall anchors and screws, so you're all set. Just be sure to grab your iPad. For this install, you'll need a bubble level, but you can also use an app on your phone, a pencil for marking, a screwdriver, a drill with bits, and an Allen key which comes with the mount. We're assuming the home run cable is already in place, so let's get started. Tyler's first step was to find the right placement for the mount and mark the holes where he needs to drill. A helpful tip to finding the right size drill bit for your screw is to line them up and check the width. They should be about the same. Now he's measuring the drill bit size to match the cable needed to power the iPad. Always remember to wear protective eye goggles for your safety. Once you've drilled the necessary holes, you can move forward with securing your mount. This is the GAT24V25 watt splitter. It steps down PoE plus voltage into 24 volt passive PoE, which is needed for the integrated 24 volt to 5 volt lightning adapter that comes with the mount. After checking to see if the mount is level, it looks like there might need to be some adjustments. Now he's just marking the spot for the new hole to make the mount level. Since we were drilling into 3/4 inch MDF instead of sheetrock, it was a little bit harder to get through. Now that the mount is level, he can move forward with fully tightening the rest of the screws. The next step you'll see him do is to connect the unterminated side of the category cable. The integrated lightning adapter takes a direct connection of the blue, blue-white, and brown-white wires of your cable. You can see that Tyler installed the iPad to the front frame of the mount off camera, so now he just has to connect the two sides. After some last-minute tightening of the screws, you're done! We successfully installed a Heckler Design enclosure for your iPad 9.7-inch and powered it with PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.